This video is brought to you by OldJamaicaBeautyProducts.com. Now, research shows that a diet rich in the following are essential to the growth and maintenance of healthy hair. The first is protein. Proteins give your hair strength, mainly because your hair is actually made up of protein. In fact, a diet lacking in sufficient protein will result in hair thinning and prevent hair growth. Therefore, your diet should be very high in protein. Eat lots of salmon, which is rich in omega-3, and a deficiency can actually result in dry scalp and hair. Other sources of protein include liver, fish, eggs, beans, cottage cheese, and yogurt. Research also shows that soy protein is very helpful in stimulating hair growth. Try incorporating tofu into the diet. It is a good source of soy protein. Next is nuts. Nuts are also a good source of protein. However, they are also high in zinc. A zinc deficiency can lead to hair shedding. And some nuts that are actually good to promote hair growth are actually cashews, pecans, and almonds because they are a great source of zinc. Also, try to eat a lot of green leafy vegetables. They are very rich in iron, which carries oxygen to the hair follicles. Iron is also the second most important nutrient for hair, with protein being the first. Salmon, as mentioned before, is also a good source of iron. Other sources of iron include liver, eggs, dates, raisins, and whole grain cereals. Dark green vegetables are also an excellent source of vitamins A and C. Your body needs these vitamins to produce sebum, which is the oily substance secreted by your hair follicles. Next is whole grains. Include whole grain wheat bread and fortified whole grain wheat breakfast cereals, as they provide your body with iron, zinc, and B vitamins. As mentioned before, these vitamins and minerals are all essential for proper hair growth. Next is water. Try to drink at least 6 8-ounce glasses per day. Your hair also contains water, so drinking lots of water is also essential to promoting hair growth. Next is hair vitamins. Now, be sure to consult your physician before taking any type of vitamin or mineral supplements. The combination of certain vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, C, B complex, E, biotin, iron, silica, which is a horsetail, and calcium help to promote hair growth and maintain healthy hair. Choose the brand of hair vitamins that is best suited for you. Be sure to incorporate foods rich in biotin into your diet. Biotin is essential for healthy hair and skin. Some foods rich in biotin include brown rice, green peas, lentils, oats, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Now, it's also important to avoid the following: caffeine, sugar, sodas, and fatty foods, and also smoking, as these things actually prevent you from growing healthy hair. Now, thank you so much for joining us today and for listening to our video. And for more information on hair loss, hair care tips, and also information on our products, please visit Old Jamaica, that's old with an E, OLDE, JamaicaBeautyProducts.com. Thank you.